Welcome to Jeks Analytics. So today we'll be looking at getting started with Excel for data analytics, and we have built step-by-step guide for this particular tutorial. So starting from introduction to Excel, overview, then we'll discuss the overview of the Excel interface, look at the ribbons, the cells, the rows, what are columns, the formula bars. Then we'll look at the basic formulas in Excel. We see how the plus, the minus, the multiplication, and the division operators work in Excel. We'll also do some practical demonstrations. Here again, then we'll move to the data cleaning and preparation techniques. Remember, Excel is next one. We'll go to the basic arithmetic operators. This is where we see how we can apply the plus, the minus, the multiplication, and the division operators in Excel. After that, we'll see how we can also type the formulas and then do some practical demonstrations to that. This is also another one that you can do on your own. So we have two assignments. Because I want you to see how you have applied it. So if you look at this, you see that this data, first of all, is not clean. So you have to clean it. And then after you've cleaned it, you can now operate on it as a number. So this is these are the basic cleaning functions.